The algorithm wants you trapped scrolling the same 3 apps, but you are missing out on the internet's most powerful hidden tools. Today we are skipping the obvious stuff. I've tracked down the absolute elite tier of hidden gem websites that feel like a digital cheat code, and you've probably never heard of a single one. Grab your bookmarked folder, and let's get into the top 10 incredible websites you need to use right now. Forget paying for Midjourney. We are kicking things off with the actual pioneer of AI-generated art. Deep Dream Generator was creating mind-bending visual hallucinations back in 2015, long before the current AI boom made everyone a prompt engineer. If you want to create stunning visual assets for a project without installing heavy software or paying a subscription, this is your tool. You just select Start Creating, enter your text prompt, and choose your AI model. While some models are locked behind a pro account, their Z-Image Turbo is free to use without an account, and it creates high-resolution, photorealistic images in about 15 seconds. If you love what it generates, there is a simple download button in the bottom right corner to save it to your computer instantly. If you are tired of modern streaming service choices and crave some serious nostalgia, you need to launch My Retro TVs. This isn't just a video player. It is a fully immersive, authenticated simulation of channel surfing on vintage televisions. You can choose a TV from the 1950s all the way to the 2000s. I keep mine on the 80s model because that's my sweet spot. To the right of the TV set, you have more than a dozen programming categories to choose from, including classic cartoons, comedies, and dramas. And yes, it even plays the actual commercials from that exact decade. You literally hit the channel up and channel down buttons to simulate that live, randomized TV watching experience. Hit the power button to let the fun begin. We all know the annoying struggle of clicking on a recipe online, only to have to scroll through a food blogger's entire 5,000-word life story about their summer in Tuscany before you finally get to the actual ingredients list. It is a massive waste of time. Stop scrolling and use just the recipe. You simply copy the URL of that bloated, ad-filled food blog, paste it right into the search box on the site, and hit enter. Instantly, it strips away all the pop-ups, the videos, and the filler text, leaving you with a clean, beautifully formatted card showing only the ingredients and the step-by-step instructions. It is an absolute essential digital cheat code for anyone who cooks. Students, stop right now and save this one immediately. If you are struggling with complex mathematical problems related to basic maths, physics, chemistry, or algebra, you need Math4You. This site is an absolute lifesaver. Unlike many competitors that hide their work behind a premium subscription, Math4You is 100% free. You enter what you'd like to solve into the calculator box, hit the Solve button, and then, here is the best part, you can select Step-by-Step Solution. It doesn't just give you the final answer, it shows you exactly how to get there, making it a critical tool for actually learning the material instead of just cheating on your homework. Need to kill a few hours during a slow workday or while waiting in a virtual queue? You must check out Neil. Fun. Created by the brilliant mind of game designer Neil Argawal, this site is a collection of some of the most addictive, clever, and bizarre browser-based games and experiments on the internet. Without spoiling too much of the discovery, you have to try Spend Bill Gates Money, Draw Logos from Memory, and the notoriously difficult Password Game. Each one is wildly entertaining and surprisingly high quality for a free browser site. It is an absolute time sink in the best possible way. Look, we all have those days. School is too much, work is irritating, or you just want to let out a massive yell without your neighbors calling the cops. Scream into the Void is the mental health break you didn't know you needed. The premise is brilliant in its simplicity. If you're having a bad day, tired of work, or just plain frustrated, type whatever is bothering you into the text box, and it will scream it aloud. It provides a surprisingly satisfying digital release without actually making any noise in your physical space. Type it, click Scream, and instantly feel better. If you have ever wanted to break into the world of cybersecurity but don't want to pay thousands for a coding bootcamp, TryHackMe is the definitive free starting point. It features interactive, hands-on labs that cover critical topics like networking, ethical hacking, and digital forensics, designed for all skill levels from beginner to advanced. They provide a structured roadmap for learning that begins with basic computer science skills before advancing to advanced training to become a security analyst or penetration tester. TryHackMe uses a premium model, meaning most of the beginner courses and activities are 100% free, which is perfect for seeing if this career path is right for you without spending a dime. Sticking with the theme of interactive discovery, Little Alchemy 2 is a popular browser and mobile puzzle game that starts with a simple concept. You have just 4 basic elements: air, earth, fire, and water. Your goal is to drag these elements on top of each other and see what they combine into. If you add fire to water, you get steam. Add earth to water, and you get mud. As you discover new items, they are added to your sidebar, and you can combine those new items with the ones you've already found. Eventually, you go from basic elements to discovering complex concepts like life, humans, and robots. It is a charming, addictive game of experimentation. Need to play a quick, harmless joke on a friend, family member, or a very gullible coworker? GeekPrank provides funny, safe simulation tools designed for light pranks. For example, you can load up a crack screen to make them think their expensive monitor just got broken, trigger a fake ransomware attack or a fake FBI warning on their computer screen, or load the Hacker Typer Simulator, where hitting any random key on your keyboard makes complicated code fly across the screen, making you look just like a hacker in the movies. They are simple, classic pranks that never fail to get a reaction. For our final site, we are calming things back down with some serious visual satisfaction. Created by art students, Sand lets you create visual sand art on a digital canvas. Using your mouse, you left-click and drag the area you'd like to drop the sand, which starts pouring down in a satisfying trickle. You can choose different colors for the sand in the upper right menu to build layers or create complex designs. Whenever you are done with your project, click the check mark in the upper left corner to save it. It is a mesmerizing, almost therapeutic way to de-stress and create something beautiful. And just like that, your bookmark folder is loaded with 10 powerful new tools to cure your boredom and optimize your life. All the links to every single site we just covered are waiting for you right down in the description below. And just like that, your bookmark folder is locked and loaded with the absolute best hidden gems on the internet. But while you are browsing these amazing new sites, your own operating system is secretly tracking every single click you make. Over the last few updates, Microsoft has quietly turned your PC into a massive data harvesting advertising billboard. But you don't have to put up with it. Click the video on your screen right now titled, "Stop Windows from Tracking and Showing Ads." I am going to show you the exact hidden settings you need to turn off right now to take your privacy back and permanently banish those annoying pop-ups. Click right there to lock down your machine, and I'll see you over in that video. If you discovered a new favorite website today, do me a massive favor and hit that like button to help push this video to other users.